Hi children, in this video we are going to see about a grammar, Vyakaran. You see on the screen what are the topic today. We are going to see the 5 topics. The first one, Muhavare, that means idioms and phrase, and next second one, Anekarthak Shabd, that means many meanings for one word. अनेक शब्द के लिए एक शब्द, that means one word for many meanings. The fourth one, Vipareetarthak Shabd, that once you know the Vilom Shabd, opposite, Ulte Arth, that is the Vipareetarthak Shabd, Ulte Shabd, Vilom Shabd, opposites. The last one, fifth, Ashuddha Roop, Shuddha Roop. Incorrect sentence, how to write a correct sentence, that means these all are for your second term. So you don't worry about this, I given in a PDF form as usually. So first one we have to see a Muhavare. मुहावरे किसे कहते हैं? What is mean by मुहावरे, idioms? इसकी क्या विशेषता है? What is the special in this मुहावरे? You see that वह वाक्यांश जिसका कोई विशेष अर्थ होता है और जो वाक्य में क्रिया के स्थान पर प्रयोग में आता है उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? मुहावरा कहलाता है. That means वह वाक्यांश जिसका कोई विशेष अर्थ होता है और जो वाक्य में क्रिया के स्थान पर प्रयोग में आता है उसे हम मुहावरा कहलाते हैं. That means the phrase which has special meaning, that is the कोई विशेष अर्थ, और which is used in place of verb in the sentence, that is in a वाक्य में क्रिया के स्थान पर प्रयोग में आता है, that is the which is used in place of verb in the sentence, that is called what? मुहावरे, idioms. Now you understand मुहावरे किसे कहते हैं, इसकी क्या विशेषता है? It is very simple. वह वाक्यांश जिसका कोई विशेष अर्थ होता है, that means in the phrase which has a special meanings, and और जो वाक्य में क्रिया के स्थान पर प्रयोग में आता है, that means which is used in a place of verb, क्रिया, verb in the sentence, it is called, उसे हम क्या कहते हैं? मुहावरा कहलाते हैं. That is called a what? Muhavare. Now you see some example, dear children. These all are in our from a book. For the first one, Kahaniya Gatna Mangadat Kisse Barna, creating story. That means Kahaniya Gatna, creating story. Mangadat Kisse Banana. Some people create his own story. Now how to make a sentence in this phrase? कई लोग बैठे बैठे ऐसी कहानियां गढ़ लेते हैं कि सत्य प्रतीत होने लगती है. That means many people create such stories by sitting that the truth appears to be. The second one, जर्रा होना, that means अस्तित्व समाप्त होना, be valuable, that is to exit. एक बड़ा पत्थर पानी में घिस घिस कर जर्रा बन जाता है. That means what is that meaning? यह एक बड़ा पत्थर पानी में घिस घिस कर जर्रा बन जाता है. That means the large stone is weathered in the water and become a jar. And next one, लोकगीत है समझाना, that is in a meaning छोटा समझाना. उच्च वर्ग सदा निम्न वर्ग को हेय दृष्टि से देखता है. That means in हेय दृष्टि, न छोटा अपने आप छोटे समझाने के लिए कहना. That means the upper class always looks down upon the lower class. Now again I recall this 3-1. कहानियां घटना मनगढ़ंत किस्से बनना, creating story. That means in a people create his own story. कई लोग बैठे बैठे ऐसी कहानियां गढ़ लेते हैं कि सत्य प्रतीत होने लगती है. Many people create such stories by sitting that the truth appears to be. The second one, जर्रा होना, अस्तित्व समाप्त होना. That is in a be vulnerable. That is अस्तित्व समाप्त होना, to cease to exist. एक बड़ा पत्थर पानी में घिस घिस कर जर्रा बन जाता है. That means a large stone is weathered in a water and becomes a jar. The third one, लोकगीत है समझाना. That is छोटा समझाना. उच्च वर्ग सदा निम्न वर्ग को है दृष्टि से देखता है. The upper class peoples always look down upon the lower class. Now you see the fourth one. नजर फिरना, देखने का तरीका बदलना. That means नजर फिरना, देखने का तरीका बदलना. It is in a how to look that. रमेश के पास 4 पैसे क्या आ गए, उसकी नजरों ही बदल गई है. That is in a change his eyes appearance. नजर फिरना, देखने के तरीका बदलना. रमेश के पास 4 पैसे क्या आ गए, उसकी नजरों ही बदल गई है. Ramesh has got a 4 paise when his eyes has changed. That is now you understood? Yeah. The next one, fifth. कमर बांधना, किसी कार्य को करने के लिए तैयार करना. To get ready to do any work. That is the कमर बांधना, किसी कार्य को करने के लिए तैयार होना. सैनिक युद्ध करने हेतु सदा कमर बांधे रहते हैं. That is सैनिक soldiers. सैनिक युद्ध करने के हेतु सदा कमर बांधे करना. The soldiers to get any for fighting in a battle. The next one, fifth. चाव से गाना, रुचि से गाना. That means प्रत्येक प्रांत के लोग चाव से अपने लोकगीत गाते हैं. What is that meaning? चाव से गाना, रुचि से गाना. What is that meaning? चाव से गाना, रुचि से गाना. That is in a sing in a very truthfully, in a patriotically, and ruchi se gana. Then which person is sing? That is in a singing very interesting. That is प्रत्येक प्रांत के लोग चाव से अपने लोकगीत गाते हैं. Many peoples in a district peoples in other state people sing the song अपने लोकगीत in his national anthem. वो कैसे गाते हैं? चाव से अपने लोकगीत गाते हैं. And next one, मर्म छूना, दिल को छूना. Touching heart, मर्म छूना, touch our heart. भावनात्मक गीत दिल में मर्म को छू जाते हैं. In every song, in a भावनात्मक गीत, in what is in a reality, in so many touching songs that दिल में मर्म को छू जाते हैं. That song is touching our heart. And next one, the eighth one, हाथ बंटाना, सहायता करना. Those one who person want to help, we spread our hand. That is सहायता करना, to helping. हमें सभी का हाथ बंटाना चाहिए. That is in Tamil काकुम करंगल. Then which person or is wanting help or is very poor, they want to now flood in. No, the time some people sir हाथ बंटाना काम करते हैं. हमें सभी का हाथ बंटाना चाहिए. That is the eighth one. The next, हैरत में पढ़ना, हैरानी में पढ़ना. That is was surprising. हैरत का अर्थ surprising. हैरानी का अर्थ भी the same, exciting, surprising. You see the next one, जादूगर के जादू देखकर सभी हैरत में पड़ गए. You know what is the meaning? जादूगर, जादूगर या magician, magic man. और जादू, उनका magic, his magic देखकर सभी हैरत में पड़ गए. When you see a magic show once in a time, everyone was surprising and exciting. Is it not? Yeah. The next one, 10th, ताड़ लेना, जान लेना. To palm, ताड़ का मतलब palm. To know, everyone to know that जान लेना. पुलिस ने चोर को नियत ताड़ ली. That means the police tried to fix the thief. Fix the thief. Again I recall the 3. हाथ बंटाना, सहायता करना, to help. हमें सभी का हाथ बंटाना चाहिए. Ninth one, हैरत में पढ़ना, हैरानी में पढ़ना, surprising and exciting. जादूगर के जादू देखकर सभी हैरत में पड़ गए. That means in a magician shows, when we saw the magician shows, everyone was excited for surprising. ताड़ लेना, जान लेना. That is, पुलिस ने चोर की नीयत ताड़ ली. The next one, 11th one, you see, आड़े हाथों लेना, कठोरता से पेश आना. That means in a harshness, everyone is giving in a show to his harshness. That is, कठोरता से पेश आना. You see the sentence. परीक्षा में कम अंक आने पर पिताजी ने मुझे आड़े हाथों लिया. That means father took me in the face very harsh to how low mark in the exam. For when I get a low mark, when we get a low mark in exam, that time our parents show his क्या आड़ हाथों. That is in a कम आने पर पिताजी ने मुझे आड़े हाथों लिया. That is the meaning. And next one, 12th one, करदब तिकाना. करदब तिकाना का meaning in a juggling. That is in a many tricks, showing tricks. You know, already in a circus, jadugar showing some tricks. Komalis also in a buffoons showing some tricks. No, that is in a kardab dikana, showing juggling and many tricks. That means circus में जोकर ने कई करतब दिखाए. Now only I told, no, in a circus the joker, the buffoon, how is that man in short and his face was full of coloring and nose is very red and bigly. So वो joker ने कई करतब दिखाए. He shows many tricks. And next one, 13th, तरकीब हाथ लगना, तरीका समझ आना. That means get an idea, one ideas and figure out the way. पहले तो मैं गणित का यह कार्य कर नहीं पाता था, लेकिन जब से मेरे हाथ तरकीब लग गई है मेरा मिनटों में हो जाता है. Again I read this one. तरकीब हाथ लगना. We got an idea, any one idea. Sometimes we have some confused at this time. We got some ideas suddenly. That is तरीका समझ आना. पहले तो मैं गणित का यह कार्य कर नहीं पाता था, लेकिन जब से मेरे हाथ तरकीब लग गई है मेरा मिनटों में हो जाता है. That means at first I couldn't do this maths, that is in a mathematics. But since my hands have got a trick, I get it in a minute. That means I complete my maths worksheet within a minute. And next one, 14th one, हुनर पाना कुशल होना. अब सोहन. That means what is that meaning? हुनर पाना, gain skill, and कुशल होना, to be proficient. अब सोहन कभी जीवन में मात नहीं खाएगा. उसने कपड़ा बुनने का हुनर जो प्राप्त कर लिया है. That means now Sohan will never be outdone in his life. He has acquired the skill of weaving cloth. Again I recall this 4. आड़े हाथों लेना, कठोरता से पेश आना. परीक्षा में कम अंक आने पर पिताजी ने मुझे आड़े हाथों लिया. करदब दिखाना, अजीब अजीब कारनामे करना. सर्कस में जोकर ने कई करदब दिखाए. तरकीब हाथ लगना, तरीका समझ आना. पहले तो मैं गणित का यह कार्य कर नहीं पाता था, लेकिन जब से मेरे हाथ तरकीब लग गई है मेरा मिनटों में हो जाता है. द लास्ट वन, हुनर पाना, कुशल होना. अब सोहन कभी जीवन में मात नहीं खाएगा. उसने कपड़ा बुनने का हुनर जा प्राप्त कर लिया. Dear children, in up to 14, this is in a muhavare. And in next Roman, we have to see in a what? Anekarthi ya anekartak sabd. That means in a single word have a 2 or more than meanings. That is in a anekartak sabd. You see the first one, har. Har ka arth parajay mala. Two meanings. Har means in a victory. The persons got in victory in a battle, that is har or parajay. And next one more meaning, mala, that is garland. And next one you see, shoot, that means taha sarati. Taha arth you know in a thread. Sarati, that is the meaning shoot. The third one, sarang. सारंग का अर्थ यहाँ तीन अर्थ है, तीन शब्द है. क्या क्या? सांप, मोर, बादल. सांप का अर्थ यू नो स्नेक, मोर पीकॉक, बादल क्लाउड. सो सारंग का कितने अर्थ है? यहाँ तीन अर्थ है. एंड फोर्थ वन, वर. वर का अर्थ अच्छा, पति, वरदान. ये तीन अर्थ है. वर का अर्थ अच्छा, पति, वरदान. You know in Tamil, varan, that means in a var, that means in a what, pati, in a which person, a parent want to get married his daughter, they searching some person in a, that is varan, like that pati. Vams, fifth one is vams, that is kul, jati, bans. In a Tamil also you heard, I think, kulam, vamsam, that like that, jati and bans. The sixth one, lakshay, in our aim, nishana, uddesya. The next seventh one, rasi, that is in a dan, samu, sing. Rasi, you know in Tamil, in a 12 rasi, mesham, rishabam, midunam, like that. That is in a sing, in the last one you see. And one more two meanings is in a dhan, wealth, and samuh, society. Again I recall this one, har, parajay, mala. Soot, daha, sarati. Sarang, samp, mor, badal. Var, acha, pati, vardhan. Vams, kul, jati, bans. Lakshay, nishana, uddeshya. Seventh one, rasi, dan, samuh, sing. The eighth one you see on the screen, ras. You know that ras in a suvai in Tamil. Onbadu Navarasam, you know that ras. Sar, Anand, Rang, Lal, Pila, आदि रंग प्रेम, ये सब क्या है? रस. और मत, मत का अर्थ you know very well, that don't, no. दो ना, राय, संप्रदाय, that is in a मत का अर्थ. Next one, भेद, different, प्रकार, food, रहस्य. रहस्य means also, what is that? भेद. 11th one, बाग, बागना, हिस्सा. 12th one, पूर्वा, that is in a हम, हमारे पूर्वजों. Have you heard this word पूर्वजों in a Sanskrit word and Tamil word also? पूर्वजों, that is in our ancestor. That is pahale, in a previous. Purva, past. Disha, in a one more another meaning, disha, direction. The 13th one, paya, that is दूध, पानी, अमृत. पय का क्या क्या अर्थ है यहाँ? दूध, milk, you know, पानी, water, अमृत in Tamil, amridam, we told now our parents, amrit, that is. And 14th one, patra, letter, you know already, chitti, panna. Again recall this one. 8th one is ras, sar, anand, rang, lal, pila, आदि रंग प्रेम. ये सब का अर्थ, शब्द, ये शब्द का अर्थ रस. The 9th one, मत, ना, राय, संप्रदाय. 10th one, भेद, that is meaning प्रकार, food, रहस्य. 11th one, बाग, बागना, हिस्सा. पूर्वा, that means in a पहले, पूर्व दिशा. पय, पय का अर्थ दूध, पानी, अमृत. पत्र, पन्ना, चिट्टी, यही इसका अर्थ है. आओ, you see the next Roman. What is that? अनेक शब्द के लिए एक शब्द. What is that meaning? अनेक शब्द के लिए एक शब्द. That means one meaning for many words. That is the अनेक शब्द के लिए एक शब्द. Here is given in a one line, long line. That means that lines make a one single word. That is अनेक शब्द के लिए एक शब्द. You see the first one. जो सब कुछ जानता हो, सर्वज्ञ, that means those which person one who knows everyone, that person is sarvagnya, it is called a sarvagnya. And next one, mans khane wala, one who persons ate meat, that means mans, which person is called mansahari. The third one, जिस स्त्री का पति मर चुका हो, one who lady whose ladies persons which died, that lady called how it called that ladies vidava. In Tamil you know very well vidavai, that means vidva in a Hindi. And priya bolne wala, one who speak in a very lovably and very nicely, that person is called priya bhasha. The fifth one, swayam seva karne wala, that is in a one who person served in a service, that is called, that person is called swayam sevak. And sixth one, jo khoob parishram karta ho, one who persons work very hard and give a very effort, that person is called parishrami karmat. The seventh one, जो सच बोलता हो, one who person is tell always in a truth, that person is called satyavadi. You know Harichandra? Yeah, oh, Harichandra is a satyavadi because that he was a king, but he always spoke only truth. Oh, which person is called satyavadi? जो सच बोलता हो वो satyavadi. Again I recall the same sentence. जो सब कुछ जानता हो सर्वज्ञ, मांस खाने वाला मांसाहारी, जिस स्त्री का पति मर चुका हो विधवा, प्रिय बोलने वाला प्रिय भाषा, स्वयं सेवा करने वाला स्वयं सेवक, जो खूब परिश्रम करता हो परिश्रमी या कर्मठ. और सेवेंथ वन, जो सच बोलता हो सत्यवदी. And next one you see, eighth one, जिसका कोई आधार ना हो, one who person is not take care anyone and pretended, that is निराधार. जो चल कपट करता हो, that is कपटी. जो ईश्वर को मानता हो आस्तिक, those who pray to God, that person is called astik. Astika opposite nastika, that means सप्ताह में एक बार होने वाला, in a week एक बार होना, in a week has in a once, that is साप्ताहिक. जिसने कोई अपराध ना किया हो, those one who person is not do any crime, that is in any mistake, that is called niraparati. In Tamil you know very well niraparati. Whenever you saw in a picture or in a court niraparati, in a lawyer is a argument, no, that is niraparati in Hindi. जल में रखने वाला जीव जलचर, in a sea animals is called what? जलचर. And 14th one, जिसका कोई कारण ना हो, in any matter is not reasoning, that is called akaran. जिसका कोई अंत ना हो, which one is not complete, not end, that is anant. Again I recall this one, eighth one, जिसका कोई आधार ना हो, that is निराधार. जो चल कपट करता हो, one who persons do pretend, that is called kapati. जो ईश्वर को मानता हो वो क्या है? आस्तिक. सप्ताह में एक बार होने वाला वो साप्ताहिक. जिसने कोई अपराध ना किया हो निरपराध. जल में रखने वाले जीव जलचर. जिसका कोई कारण ना हो अकारण. जिसका कोई अंत ना हो अनंत. You see the next Roman. विलोम शब्द, विपरीतार्थक शब्द, that is उल्टे शब्द, you know opposite. विपरीतार्थक शब्द, what is, you know very well, that is opposite, but what is that meaning? विपरीतार्थक शब्द किसे कहते हैं और उदाहरण दीजिए. जो शब्द किसी शब्द का विपरीत अर्थ बताते हैं. That means as a word is given a meaning in opposite side. That is vipareet arth, opposite side. वह विपरीतार्थक शब्द या विलोम शब्द कहते हैं. That is called a opposite. That is विपरीतार्थक शब्द या विलोम शब्द. Again I tell you, विपरीतार्थक शब्द या विलोम शब्द उल्टा शब्द वो किसे कहते हैं? उदाहरण दीजिए. जो शब्द किसी शब्द का विपरीत अर्थ बताते हैं वह विपरीतार्थक शब्द या विलोम शब्द कहते हैं. Now you see the next one. Some examples are given here. शब्द विलोम, that is in a उल्टे शब्द, विलोम शब्द विपरीतार्थक शब्द. The first one हानि लाभ, that is loss gain. हानि का अर्थ loss, लाभ gain. सौभाग्य दुर्भाग्य, or you heard in Tamil also सौभाग्यवती, that is in a goodwill. सौभाग्य अभाग्य bad. Suputra, Kuputra, that is the same meaning. The good son, bad son. Suputra, Kuputra. Sukarma, Dushkarma, good work, bad work. Dushkarma. Sujan, Durjan, the same. Sur, Asur, Surargal, Asurar. Sakar, Nirakar. Accept, not accept. Swarg, Narak. You know in Tamil, Swargam, Naragam, that is the same like that. Swarg, Narak. Swatandra, Paratandra. Swatandra is in a freedom, Paratandra in a opposite word, that is. Samman, Apaman. To give a reward, rewarded, that is in a give respect. Apaman in a Tamil also in Avamanam, not giving in a not respect. Apaman. Now, again I recall the same one. Hani, that is Labh. Saubhagya, Durbhagya. Suputra, Kuputra. Sukarma, Dushkarma. Sujan, Durjan. Sur, Asur. Sakar, Nirakar. Swarga, Narak. Swatandra, Paratandra. Samman, Apaman. You see the next one also. Sajiv, Nijiv, Satya, Sajiv or Nijiv, you know that meaning already in a live and live or Nijiv. Satya, Asatya, truth, lies. Sakt, Naram, Samyog, Viyog, Sur, Kayar, Shanti, Ashant, Vastavik, काल्पनिक. वास्तविक अर्थ रियलिटी, काल्पनिक in a dream, in a always in a dream. Vardhan, Abhishap. Vardhan in Varam, you know, in a gain, that is everyone is blessing. Vardhan. Abhishap in a sin, that is Pavam, you know that is Log, Paralok. Log, Paralok. Yash, fame. Apayas, unfame. Again I tell you, Sajiv, Nijiv. Satya, Asatya. Truth, lies. Sakt, Naram. Samyog, Viyog. Sur, bravery, that Kayar in a slave. Shanti, Ashanti. Peaceful in a not, what is an opposite? Ashant. Vastavik, reality. Kalpanik, that is in a dream. Vardhan, Abhishap. I told Vardhan in a blessing. In Abhishap, sin. That is Sabam, that is told no in Tamil like that. Log, Paralok. The last one, yes, Apayas, fame, unfame. And next one, Mitra, Shatru, friend, enmity. Manav, Danav. Bhagya, Abhagya. Buddhiman, Murka. You see here the same two words, Buddhiman or Pandit. Both are the same Viparitharthak Sabda, Murka. That is in a clever, Pandit is a great man. In an intelligent man, Pandit. The both are the same Viparitharthak Sabda, Murk. That is fool. And Puraskar, Tiraskar. Pap, Punya. Already I told no, Pap in a blessing. Punya, sorry, Pap is in a sin. Punya, blessing. Pavam, Punyam in Tamil like that. Prashan, Uttar. Question, answers. Paradin, Swadhin. Ourself in other selves. Pyar, gruna, that is in a love, hate. Again I recall the same one. Mitra, Shatru, Manav, Danav, Bhagya, Abhagya, Buddhiman, Murk, Pandit also Murk, Puraskar, Tiraskar, Pap, Punya, Prashan, Uttar, Paradin, Swadhin, Pyar, Gruna. And next one you see the next Roman, Ashuddhrup, Shuddhrup. That means incorrect sentence, we want to correct the right sentence. That is in a Ashuddha Roop, in a Shuddha Roop. How to write in a Ashuddha Roop to Shuddha Roop? You see on the screen, Yah Pustak Mera Hai. This is my book. That is the meaning of that sentence, but it is a not correct sentence. Yah pustak Meri hai. That is in a pustak, in a Meri is a correct answer. Yah pustak Mera hai is not correct. शुद्ध रूप में वो कैसे लिखना चाहिए? यह पुस्तक मेरी है. That is correct. And second one, चारों पुस्तक का नाम लिखो. चारों is a plural verb और पुस्तक is single. So it is correct or wrong? Wrong sentence. Yes, charo is in a four, no? Then pustak is in a single. So how to write in a Shuddha Roop correct sentence? Charo pustakon ke naam likho. That is in a correct answer. The third one, मैं पत्र को लिखता हूँ. That is in a मैं पत्र लिखता हूँ. That is पत्र को is not correct. को वो कारक है ना, वो वहाँ गलती रूपी में है, इसलिए इन शुद्ध रूप में हम कैसा लिखना चाहिए? मैं पत्र लिखता हूँ. यही सही आंसर. मैं पत्र को is not correct answer. That is अशुद्ध रूप. इन शुद्ध रूप मैं पत्र लिखता हूँ. The fourth one, मैंने दिल्ली जाना है. That is correct or wrong? Wrong. मैंने is not correct. मुझे दिल्ली जाना है. That is in a correct sentence. शुद्ध रूप. And fifth one, हमने यह काम करना है. हमने is not correct. हमें यह काम करना है is a correct answer. Again I read the same sentence. अशुद्ध रूप और how to write incorrect to correct sentence. अशुद्ध रूप से शुद्ध रूप हम कैसे लिखना चाहिए? यह पुस्तक मेरा है. यह पुस्तक मेरी है. This is the correct sentence. शुद्ध रूप. चारों पुस्तक का नाम लिखो. वो wrong sentence. That is अशुद्ध रूप sentence. In a शुद्ध रूप, how to write? चारों पुस्तकों के नाम लिखो. In a पुस्तकों के, that is in a correct. और third one, मैं पत्र को लिखता हूँ. यह को is incorrect. It is not a correct sentence. Correct sentence is मैं पत्र लिखता हूँ. You leave it a को. Then next fourth one, मैंने दिल्ली जाना है. That is मैंने is not correct sentence. How to write? मुझे दिल्ली जाना है is the correct answer. And fifth one, हमने यह काम करना है. That is हमने is not correct sentence. हमने के बदले हम क्या लिखना चाहिए? हमें. That is in a शुद्ध रूप. हमें यह काम करना है. And you see on the screen the next one, sixth one, पिताजी तुम कब जाओगे? That is correct or wrong? Wrong, because जाओगे is wrong. और तुम भी, in a your children, you see, whenever in a elder person, we want to give a respect. Tum is not correct. Aap. In a difference between tum and aap in English, you, but in a Tamil, you tum ni. Aap neengal. So we want to give a respect to our elders. In a Pitaji is our father, no. So how do we say aap? Aap ka arth in a Tamil neengal. In a Hindi, English is the same meaning. You. That is tum also you, aap also you. But In a Hindi, तुम का अर्थ नी, आप का अर्थ नींगल. That is in a different between the two sentence. So, पिताजी तुम कब जाओ है, तुम is a wrong और जाओगे also is a wrong word. Then how to write in a correct sentence शुद्ध रूप, पिताजी आप कब जाएंगे, आप कब जाएंगे. That is a correct answer. And seventh one, Ram bada chalak hai. Ram is a very clever boy, but is in a not bada ka arth, do arth hai, in a big also is there. So in this sentence is not correct word is a bada. So what do you want to write another word, bahu, this very cunning, that is a correct word. So Ram bahu chalak hai. And eighth one, Nirmala Rupavan hai. That is, Nirmala a female verb. यहाँ Rupavan है. Rupavan ये क्या, वो female और male verb है. Male verb. That is, लिंग आप देखिए इस sentence में लिंग निर्मला स्त्रीलिंग है, इसलिए रूपवान स्त्रीलिंग या पुल्लिंग है, पुल्लिंग शब्द है, इसलिए वो गलत, वो अशुद्ध रूप है. रूपवान का ऑपोजिट इन लिंग में क्या है, रूपवती, ये वो ही सही आंसर. इसलिए निर्मला स्त्रीलिंग आने के कारण यहाँ निर्मला रूपवती है, यही शुद्ध रूप है. इट इज अ करेक्ट सेंटेंस. नाउ यू अंडरस्टैंड, निर्मला रूपवान is not right. That is if anyone in a male name, that is Shankar, that is Shankar रूपवान है, तो वो एक सेंटेंस करेक्ट है. बट यहाँ क्या है, निर्मला, निर्मला ये स्त्रीलिंग है, इसलिए रूपवान के बदले हम क्या लिखना चाहिए, रूपवती. और 9th one, तुम तुम्हारा काम करो. You know that तुम अपना काम करो, that is you do your work. That means you do, तुम्हारा is not correct word in Hindi. तुम अपना काम करो is a correct answer. तुम्हारे के बदले यहाँ अपना प्रयोग करना चाहिए. और 10th one, आप बोलो. Already I told in आप का अर्थ in English, you know very well, tum, aap, the both also, you in a generally in English. But in Tamil, we compare to Tamil word in another word. And Hindi also, we give respect to elders. Aap ka arth neengal. That is bolo, neengal, pesu. It is not correct. You speak. But if you want to tell in an elder person, please you tell. If we add in a please, no, that is, आप बोलो, उसके बदले हम क्या लिखना चाहिए, आप बोलिए. That is if you want to add in a please in English, like that, आप बोलिए. That is the meaning. And 11th one, यह काम किसने करा है. करा is not correct sentence. That is one work is completed, that is did, complete, done. So kara is not correct. किया, that is the correct answer. यह किसने करा है, यह काम किसने करा है, that is correct or wrong, wrong. So what do you want to write correct sentence, यह काम किसने किया है, that is the correct answer. And the last one you see, कृपया भोजन कर लो. कृपया is already in a respectful word. So when the respectful शब्द यहाँ आए तो हम in a ending, the end of the sentence, how do we have to complete that? Lo is not correct. Lo means take. लीजिए का अर्थ please take. That is the correct answer. कृपया भोजन कर लीजिए. Please take this food. That is correct answer. कृपया भोजन कर लो. Please take. That in English. But எடுத்துக்கொள்ளுங்கள் in Tamil you compare that. Please, that is, so शुद्ध रूप कृपया भोजन कर लीजिए. Again I recall the 6 to 12. पिताजी तुम कब जाओ है. The wrong word is आप. तुम is the wrong word. जाओगे also wrong word. We have to change the तुम के बदले आप, जाओगे के बदले जाएंगे. पिताजी आप कब जाएंगे. It is a correct sentence. राम बड़ा चालाक है, यहाँ राम बहुत चालाक है, बड़ा के बदले हम क्या लिखना चाहिए, बहुत। और निर्मला रूपवान है, निर्मला ये स्त्रीलिंग है, इसके लिए रूपवान गलत, वो इनकरेक्ट सेंटेंस, अशुद्ध रूप। और हाउ टू राइट, निर्मला रूपवती है। और तुम तुम्हारा काम करो, तुम तुम्हारा इज नॉट करेक्ट, तुम्हारा यहाँ आए तो वर्क सेंटेंस इनकरेक्ट है, इन अशुद्ध रूप। हाउ टू राइट, तुम अपना काम करो, यही सही आंसर। इन अ प्रीवियस क्लास ऑलरेडी यू स्टडीड इन अपना का प्रयोग, हम कहाँ प्रयोग करना चाहिए अपना का प्रयोग, आई नो दैट, सेम दैट, तुम अपना काम करो। द 10th one, आप बोलो, आप का अर्थ ऑलरेडी आई टोल्ड इन अ रेस्पेक्टफुल वर्ड, दैट इज आप बोलो इज नॉट, बोलो इज करेक्ट, करेक्ट और इनकरेक्ट है, इनकरेक्ट है। आप आए तो यहाँ हाउ टू वी राइट, बोलिए, आप लिखिए, आप दीजिए, आप पढ़िए, यही सही आंसर। एंड 11th one, यह काम किसने करा है, करा इज अ रॉन्ग वर्ड, any one work was completed, that done, no, that is किया, किया is the correct word, अशुद्ध रूप is a करा, यह काम किसने करा है, it is incorrect, अशुद्ध रूप। इन शुद्ध रूप करेक्ट सेंटेंस, यह काम किसने किया है, that is in a correct sentence। and 12th one, कृपया भोजन कर लो, please take this food, that is low, wherever the please is have come, no, that sentence want to complete लीजिए, that is in a low is wrong, that is लीजिए, what, कृपया, शुद्ध रूप, कृपया भोजन कर लीजिए। Dear children, in this video we have to see the 5 topics, grammar topic. Once again I recall the topic only, what are that heading, मुहावरे and अनेकार्थ या अनेकार्थी शब्द, and third one अनेक शब्द के लिए एक शब्द, and fourth one विलोम शब्द, पर्यायवाची शब्द, उल्टे शब्द, you know very well that is opposite, and the last one is अशुद्ध रूप और शुद्ध रूप। अशुद्ध रूप से हम शुद्ध रूप को कैसा लिखना चाहिए। Dear children, I hope you understood this lesson very nicely. And again I told you, this is your lesson, this is your not classwork writing, already we told, no, that given in a classroom map, these all grammars, so you don't worry about that, listen very carefully. Thank you children, धन्यवाद।